With the threat of a tropical wave right off of our coast, now's the time to make sure you have your hurricane season plan in place. And some local businesses have found a pretty unique way to protect themselves and their pricey equipment during a storm. Local 10's Sasha Andrade takes us inside a real business bunker.
Judith Haddad knows all about uncertainty. She manages it for a living at Patriot Risk Insurance, but there is one thing she won't take a chance on.
With data, we don't want to take a risk. We need to have our data available at all times.
What happens to all of her files if there was a hurricane, a fire, or a theft in this building? Nothing, she says.
If this office went down, all of the services performed in this office would have to take place in another office.
This insurance company stores its computer servers in another city, surrounded by the hurricane-ready walls of Host.net.
Our data center is a concrete facility. It'll withstand, the roof system will withstand 225-mile-an-hour winds. We're 20 feet above sea level. We've got multiple generators. We have fuel trucks.
The company says it's built to protect these machines from everything.
We thump our chest and say, bring it on.
Data security is becoming a growing issue for businesses, which are becoming more and more dependent on immediate 24/7 access to information, something that is tough to accomplish in the aftermath of a natural disaster.
Company that's out of business for 2 weeks as a result of a disaster never fully recovers financially. And of that, 50% never reopen.
And Patriot Risk isn't willing to risk it all. There are other ways to protect your data from hurricanes. Another example is a concept called cloud computing. That means all of your information is stored online, and you can see it is pretty windy out here. It could be just a taste of things to come. So if you're a business out there, you should start protecting your files right away. Back to you.
Absolutely. And Sasha, how long does it take to set up a company's server at another location?
It takes 6 to 8 months to get everything done if you're a pretty decent sized company. So of course less time for a smaller company, but you really want to do it with a lot of preparation, and at least some of your files protected is better than none of your files protected. So as soon as possible, you want to get some backups. Back to you.
That's true. We are in hurricane season. Sasha, great reminder for all of us. We really do need it.
Yeah, and for us all too, to get our own hurricane preparedness plans ready at home. And you can go on justweather.com and download a manual of sorts.
Everything you need.
Keep it right handy for you.